Hey there, good morning everyone, and welcome back to Vlogtober. I am in my baby girl's room. She's playing in the little kitchen. And this morning started off pretty busy for me. I folded 2 loads of laundry as soon as I got up. Me and her had breakfast, and then I started making lasagna. My oldest daughter today has to go to a basketball game because she's a cheerleader. And so she's got to cheer for them tonight. It's her second game this week. I didn't go to the first one because I can only do one a week. It's it's too much with a baby and all the kids and just everything going on right now. But I did say that we were going to go tonight. So I started making the lasagna because I want to make sure that we all have dinner before we head out because they are pretty long nights. And she's also bringing either 1 or 2 cheerleaders tonight with her to get ready, and we're all going to leave together. So I am making sure that we have dinner ready. The lasagna's already done. All I got to do is pop it in the oven about an hour before Nelson goes and picks them up. That way it's ready to go when they get back. And then let's see, I'm also going to clean the bathrooms. It's time for the bathrooms to be clean. So I am gonna change this one because she's still in her PJs, and I have my, cleaning clothes on. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my time and start with the kids' bathrooms upstairs, get things a little tidy, throw away any trash, and then head downstairs. And that's basically my main thing for today. Oh, I did also order all the mirrors for all the bathrooms, and then the vanity lights for the bathrooms that are remaining, and let's see, sconces, and I did order a chandelier for the foyer. As of right now, let me show you. You can see as of right now, there are no mirrors. There are no lights, or at least permanent lights in the bathrooms, and the bathrooms are a little messy. That's why they've got to get cleaned. But yeah, we just put these up. Nelson put these up so that obviously we had lighting and I had time to figure out exactly what I wanted to put up there. It was something that, takes a little bit of time. I wanted to make sure that I knew exactly what I wanted and I wasn't rushed. And so now's the time to go ahead and order everything and finish these bathrooms off. It's just one of those things. So this is my son's bathroom, and I initially wanted like a mirror that goes from there to there because his bathroom is a little bit smaller than the girls'. However, unfortunately, I could not find one that was big enough or small enough. They were either too small and they wouldn't cover like both areas for like the sinks, or they were too big for the wall. So I ended up ordering like 2 individual ones for him, and it's fine. Not a big deal. I just thought that maybe having one mirror would kind of open up the room and just make it feel a lot larger. But I mean, it is what it is. Like, I have to work with the dimensions of the actual room. So I'll be getting, 2 mirrors for here. So that's kind of what we're working with. We have these lights everywhere. We have them in the dining room downstairs. We have them in all the bathrooms above, like where the mirrors go. We have one of these in the foyer, just temporary lighting so that we can at least have light and power in here and everything, and we can function as a family. Another one that kind of goes in here is something that I had Nelson do, is because the toilet is like behind the shower. And I told him, I said, it'd be nice if there was like a little light above the toilet, and the kids can either turn this one on if they want dim lighting in the morning, or, just to have options. And because it is kind of dark back here, if there was no light there, it would look a little dim. So Nelson put these up behind like the toilets, both in my bathroom and the girls' bathroom and then his bathroom. So we have like little sconces that are going to go up there, and there's still enough space for either, art or shelves or something. so that we can have a little bit more storage if we really wanted to. I mean, we're good on that right now, but it is an option. So there's all these little lights that have to get replaced. And that's basically what I did this morning. I finalized the order. I started like 2 days ago and just looking through everything, making sure that, you know, the options and the prices and everything were good. And then this morning I hit the button to order. So in the next few days, we're going to be getting several packages of several items, and we're going to start, you know, putting those things up and finally finishing these bathrooms so that I can share like the updates and everything going on. Also, I don't know if the products that I recently bought or if it's stress or what, I'm not sure, but I've been breaking out a lot lately. And I did notice that glow lotion that the young lady at Ulta recommended for me for, you know, just kind of making my face not look so dry and stuff. I have my reservations about it. I've tried it on for several days now, and I'm not sure if that's what's causing my breakout, one. And two, by the end of the day, my makeup is gone. Like, I look absolutely horrible. It won't stay if I put that on. So I'm trying something else that I got just to see if it really is that I'm thinking is causing the makeup to just like run off my face, because like literally it's just gone by the end of the day. I've never had such bad coverage. So plus I'm not sure I'm really like happy with the finish that it gives me when I put it underneath my foundation. It kind of makes my foundation, which is full coverage, like kind of translucent. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I'm trying a different combination of things just to see, you know, how I like it. I mean, this looks pretty natural. This looks okay. Other than the fact that I've just been breaking out and I'm not really happy about it. So I have to change this one and I have to get started on those bathrooms before the kids get home from school. All right, so if you remember a few days ago, I told you guys that I got this cleaning kit for the bathrooms, and it's supposed to help me clean them a little bit better. It comes with these sponges. It comes with this one right here. It comes with this attachment, and it comes with this one, and it has like a little squeegee on the other side. So, and it also attaches to each other so that I can extend the pole. As you can see, the tile goes up pretty high. I mean, it goes up there. So what I've been doing to get to the high places is actually standing on this. And I don't want to do that anymore because I am a little bit further along and I still have to take that sticker off of there. I haven't done that yet. But I'm hoping that these extendable poles will help me get to the high places and I don't have to worry about standing on there anymore. So let's see if this is going to work. All right, so I was able to do 3 out of 4 bathrooms. I'll do mine in Nelson's bathroom tomorrow. It won't take very long. But I have the lasagna in the oven, and I also have to put away some clothes that I folded earlier. I've got some trash to take away, and I'm going to clean up the kitchen before Nelson gets back with the kids. All right, so we all ate dinner. I cleaned up the kitchen. I'm about to put away the remaining lasagna. I already got changed and dressed. I've got to put some extra diapers in our diaper bag, and I think that is it. We'll be ready to go in a few minutes.